Hey, I've got this fun little Bluetooth speaker here. This is a bone condenser Bluetooth speaker. It vibrates and it picks up the sound from whatever surface you put it on. This is by the brand OKJEW. They did send this to me. I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know. So they give you these little suction pads right here. When you get this, you're gonna get a suction pad with adhesive, and you're also gonna get a magnet with adhesive. I have already installed the magnet right here. It's really small, but it packs a big punch. It's got a great sound to it. And the fun part about these speakers is that you can experiment and put them on various surfaces to see how they sound. So here's the refrigerator. I'm gonna play just a basic beat. This is already connected. I'll hold it next to my microphone so you can hear. So that's kind of what it sounds like, just without it attached to anything, okay? Now, watch what happens when we attach it to the refrigerator. See the difference? Let me take it off. So that's off, and this is on. All right, and of course it's Bluetooth, so I can go ahead and turn the volume up from my phone. There also is a volume up and volume down button right here on the device itself. These are a lot of fun. Look at the different light on there, and you can take these really anywhere because they're easy to fit into the pocket or a bag because they're so small. Stick it to any surface and get that unique sound. It's a lot of fun. Definitely pick this up. That's the OKJEW bone condensing Bluetooth speaker. It's my quick review, and thanks for watching.